What is going on, everybody? I hope you're going to have a great 4th of July week. I thought I would just make a quick video just to kind of give everybody a heads up that I will not be having any new content this coming Thursday, obviously tomorrow, as that is the 4th of July and it's my brother's birthday. And I will not be having any new content the following Thursday, as I will actually be attending a convention in Anaheim, California. So the video that I just posted last Thursday, that is the final video that I'll have until I post new stuff, new content within, like, say a week or so from the 12th or the 11th. So I will have some new content coming once I come back from Anaheim, and it's going to be some pretty cool stuff. We're doing a lot of fun stuff at this convention. For those of you who may not know, I'm going to Vidcon, which is a giant YouTubers convention. It's pretty much a convention for anybody who loves to do online video, who loves to watch videos, and it's many platforms across the board, everything from YouTube to Twitter to live.me to Face to Snapchat to Instagram. And there's a lot of good vendors out there also as well, who have a lot of products that can kind of help you along in your creating of your YouTube channel. And if you've already got a YouTube channel, new gear that'll be coming up that you might be interested in looking at. So that's what I'm going to be doing over the next at least 2 weeks. So I just wanted to do a quick video and just kind of tell everybody what's going on, and I hope everybody has a great summer. I'm just getting off of work here, which is probably why it looks like I'm sweating a lot, because I live in Alaska and it's actually getting into the 80s, almost 90s, which is a little unusual for about this time. But that's pretty much what I just wanted to say, was that I won't be having any new content this coming Thursday, 4th of July, and the next Thursday, as I'll be down in Vidcon for the whole week, and then I'll have some new stuff the following Thursday after I come back from Vidcon. So I hope everybody has a great 4th of July, and see you next time.